Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artists Shinsia, Busy Signal and reggae artist Skip Marley are featured on music trio Major Laser's newly released album dubbed Music is the Weapon. The project, which is Major Laser's fourth studio album, was released today. Music is the Weapon consists of 12 songs and sees Shinsia on the track Tiny, which also features Beam. Meanwhile, Busy Signal is on the track Sun Comes Up and Skip Marley on Can't Take It From Me. The compilation also boasts collaborations from French Montana, Khalid and Nicki Minaj. The album is the follow-up to their 2015 project Peace is the Mission. The musical trio will be hosting a 3-day drive-in concert tour to promote the 12-track project, which starts in Riverside, California, October 29, before ending in Charlotte on October 31. Now, the Recording Academy has set November 24 as the date for the announcement of the 63rd Annual Grammy Awards. The hour-long live stream will begin with the Recording Academy's chair and interim president and CEO reading nominations in selected categories on the Grammys website. Following the announcement, past Grammy winners and nominees will join in from remote locations live. The 63rd Grammy Awards will be aired live on Sunday, January 31, 5 days after they were held this year. Fame Frequency is calling for all Carnival and soca lovers to their Soca Nation, which is scheduled for tomorrow night. The virtual event fills the gap for the postponed Carnival Road March that was supposed to take place this Sunday. Soca Nation will feature DJs Franco, Arif Cooper, DJ Roderick and King Taj. The event will air live at 9 p.m. on RETV and of course on Fame 95 FM, then at 10:45 right here on TVJ and across our social media platforms. That's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Stay dry, be safe.